Never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, or else you will get into serious trouble. Don't shake the fire alarm. Don't write or draw on the alarm. Don't pull the strobe off the alarm. Don't disable the sound or the strobe on the alarm. Don't adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on the alarm. Don't hit the alarm. Don't consume or urinate on the alarm. Don't paint the alarm. Don't take the fire lettering off the alarm. Don't take the logo off the alarm. Don't cross out the running man escaping from the fire image on the alarm if you are in a public building with EST Genesis fire alarms. Don't screw or unscrew the alarm and take the alarm off the wall or the ceiling. Don't put tape over the horn. Don't put food or liquid on the alarm. You never ever tamper with the fire alarms in a public building. Bye.